Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the Phillips Curve represents the relationship between A. Inflation and unemployment, B. GDP and inflation, C. Supply and demand, D. Savings and investment. The correct answer is option A. Inflation and unemployment. The Phillips Curve shows an inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment rates. Next question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution is the right to constitutional remedies guaranteed? A. Article 19, B. Article 21, C. Article 32, D. Article 14. The correct answer is option C. Article 32. Article 32 grants the right to approach the Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Next question is, which of the following rivers originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? A. Narmada, B. Tapi, C. Godavari, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is option A. Narmada. The Narmada River originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, CRISPR technology is used for A. Gene editing, B. Solar energy, C. Quantum computing, D. Artificial intelligence. The correct answer is option A. Gene editing. CRISPR is a revolutionary technology used to edit genes precisely. Next question is, Midnight's Children was authored by A. Salman Rushdie, B. Arundhati Roy, C. Jhumpa Lahiri, D. Kiran Desai. The correct answer is option A. Salman Rushdie. Midnight's Children is a famous novel by Salman Rushdie, which won the Booker Prize in 1981. Next question is, the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management FRBM Act was implemented in A. 2003, B. 2004, C. 2010, D. 2015. The correct answer is option B. 2004. The Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2003, enacted to maintain fiscal discipline in India. Introduced in 2000 and implemented in 2004, the Act aimed to reduce fiscal deficit and promote transparency. Next question is, the uncertainty principle is attributed to A. Heisenberg, B. Schrödinger, C. Bohr, D. Planck. The correct answer is option A. Heisenberg. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle states that position and momentum cannot both be precisely measured simultaneously. Next question is, which of the following is a lanthanide? A. Zirconium, B. Europium, C. Tungsten, D. Osmium. The correct answer is option B. Europium. Europium is a rare earth metal in the lanthanide series. Next question is, the largest moon of Saturn is called A. Titan, B. Ganymede, C. Callisto, D. Europa. The correct answer is option A. Titan. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and is larger than the planet Mercury. Last question is, the term crowding out effect is related to A. Fiscal policy, B. Monetary policy, C. Trade policy, D. Labor policy. The correct answer is option A. Fiscal policy. It refers to government borrowing, leading to reduced private investment. Now it's time for practice question. The Ashes is a cricket series played between A. India and Australia, B. England and Australia, C. India and England, D. England and South Africa. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.